In this video, we will discuss skimming search results and how to interlibrary loan full-text articles. Now that we have our databases and keywords selected, as well as our filters set, it is time to skim the search results for articles that are a best fit for our topic. Start by browsing the titles of articles. Look for articles that stand out from the rest and are of interest to you and your topic. Click on an article title to view the article record. Here you will discover key information about the article, such as the authors, publication, year, and the abstract. The article record will highlight your keywords in bold so you can see the context they are discussed in and decide if you want to read more. You'll also discover keywords, author-supplied keywords, subject terms, or medical subject headings listed on the record. Terms listed that you used for your search will be highlighted in bold. You can use these lists of terms to discover keywords that the literature prefers and update your own keyword search to find more articles like this one. For example, nursing graduates might be a keyword we want to consider adding to our search. After browsing the article record, reading the abstract, and updating our keyword list with any newly discovered terms, it is time to access the full text and read the full article. Click on the PDF full text link to the left side of your screen to read the full text. Let's go back to our result list and locate an article from a journal that we don't subscribe to. This title doesn't have a PDF full text link, but instead has a Find Full Text link. When you see the Find Full Text link, there's a good chance that we don't subscribe to the journal. You can, however, get the full text for free via interlibrary loan. First, click on Find Full Text. Next, click Search Google Scholar under Access Options. Google Scholar will search the title of the article. Look for a URL that includes PDF within it and the blank space to the right of the actual search result. If you don't see this URL, go no further. Clicking here will only bring you to the publisher's paywall. Go back to the Access Options screen. Click on Request via Interlibrary Loan. An article request form will appear in a new window, already filled out for you. The only information you need to enter is a date you wouldn't want the article after, likely a bit of time before your project is due. Click Submit Request to submit your form. You can view all of your pending requests by clicking on View Pending Requests. After 3 to 5 business days, you'll receive an email from the library with instructions on how to download your full text article from Download Your Articles. You can email Simmons Library at ill@simmons.edu to inquire about the status of your ILLs at any time. I encourage you to take advantage of this service and request as many articles as you need. Sometimes the best articles are the ones we don't have. It is also your goal to find as much information as you can on your topic. The more evidence you have, the stronger you will be. Stay tuned for a discussion on citation searching, a supplemental search strategy used to find more research beyond the confines of keyword searching.